Hey travelers, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope that you are doing well. And for today's video, I will show you how to move cancelled flight in Airasia. I got messages from my YouTube comments and even in my messenger that their flight was cancelled. And even if they follow the steps in the email on how to move, still they weren't able to proceed further because of Eva's reply that says, "Sorry, I noticed that there is a flight timing change on your booking." So now I will show you the step-by-step process that I went through and how I was able to communicate their live chat agent. So first, go to airasia.com and in the lower right, you will see Ava icon. Click that icon, chat with Ava. Ava is typing. I'm Ava, Airasia Virtual All-Star. I choose flights. And we are ready for takeoff. I select COVID-19 flight changes. And we are resuming our domestic flight operations for selected key routes. And please select one of the options below and I choose my flight is cancelled. I'm sorry your flight was cancelled. And then I select move flight. Please enter your booking number. So enter booking reference number. And now your family, last name, surname as the exact details made in the booking. And the guest given name or first name as per booking. Enter the date of birth. And last one, can you type in the email address that was used to make this booking? Make sure that the email address you give to Ava is the email address that you use upon booking. And so, sorry, I noticed there is a flight timing change on your booking. After further check, regrettably, there is no service recovery options provided to your booking. I'm sure kaya ka nandito sa video na to because ito din yung message na natanggap mo from Eva or ito din yung reply na niya sa'yo. So after this one, I tried to choose the option na step-by-step guide to move my flight. But when I did that, meron siyang rebooking fee. So, kinancel ko yung request na yun kasi pag si airline yung nag-cancel ng ticket, free lang yung rebooking. Walang babayaran. Kung makikita mo dito sa taas na may cancel, and then chat me again if you need help. I select main menu and then try me by asking your question. I select flights. Again, I tried to select flight status. And here, I choose search by flight number. So, please provide your flight date. So, kung ikaw, click mo lang yung mga buttons dito hanggang sa makarating ka sa live chat agent na mag-a-assist sa iyo. Huwag kang susuko. Please provide your airline code and flight number. And please wait while I look for your flight status. Sorry, something went wrong. Please select one of the options available below. And then I select ask another question. Kaya siya nag-error kasi sa flight status, makikita mo lang yung status ng flight mo 1 day before your flight. So, since yung flight ni passenger ay sa May pa, hindi pa siya nakikita, kaya sabi niya something went wrong. I select ask another question, and then before I connect you to an all-star, would you like to try asking me another question? And I select no. Ito na yung hinihintay ko na makapag-communicate ako kay live chat agent. And before I can connect you, please select the topic of your inquiry, the topic of your query below. And then I select flight reschedule. Para hindi mo na pagdaanan yung mga previous na buttons na pinindot ko, you can directly type dyan sa message na flight reschedule. Pinapakita ko lang dito yung process na ginawa ko sa first. Baka sakali na ma-encounter niyo siya, alam mo na kung ano yung mga pipindutin mo. I just need some of your details before I transfer you to my fellow all-star. What is your full name? Provide your full name. And what is your email? Email is very important when you chat with Eva. In case na ma-rebook siya, doon nila isa-send yung new itinerary, or you can do manage booking. What's your booking number? Waiting for an agent, there are 34 people ahead of you. Please note it's important to check back on your queue number regularly, as this is expected to reduce faster than you anticipate whilst waiting to speak with an agent. Meron pa daw 34 people na nauna sa akin. So, 32, 30, and take note na hindi ganito kabilis bumaba yung number of people. Yung total minutes na nirecord ko yung video na to ay umabot siya ng 40 minutes. So, ganun siya katagal na dapat mong hintayin para lang makausap si agent, kasi ang dami talaga nilang ina-accommodate na mga tao. Kinakat ko lang siya para mas mabilis. 27, 22, 10, 9, 3, 2, and then 1. Connected with an agent. Sabi ni Avelina C, hi, how may I help you? And hello, Miss Avelina. I have a question po. And my follow-up message was, I received an email that my flight was cancelled, and when I follow the steps to move my flight through Eva, it says na sorry, I notice there is a flight timing change on your booking. Ano po ibig sabihin nito? May I have your booking number for me to check, please? So give your booking number. And then she replied, I will move the flight for you. Okay, thank you. Kindly provide new date and time. New flight date. You also provide time. It is possible so that they can check if it is available. But here I forgot to provide the time, only the date. Kindly furnish us with the passenger's full name and date of birth for confirmation. Thanks. I type all the passengers here. And then one moment. And I have moved your flight accordingly, and the revised itinerary has been sent to the contact information's email for your reference. Thank you and have a nice day. Na-sent na sa email ni client yung new itinerary, yung na-move na flight sa new date. Successful tayo dito. So, thank you so much. And nagbibigay ako dito ng feedback kasi okay naman yung experience. Kaya siguro lagi akong nakakalusot sa live chat dahil sa feedback na ibibigay ko sa kanila para mas gumanda yung kanilang performance, yung kanilang customer service. 1 being dissatisfied and 5 being very satisfied. I give 5 very satisfied. So how easy has Airasia made it for you to handle your inquiry today? And then I give them 4. Easy. So that's it guys. I hope na ikaw din mag-succeed ka din sa pag-move ng flight mo if isa ka sa mga nire-replyan ni Eva na sorry, I noticed there is a flight timing change on your booking. Pindutin niyo lang yung mga buttons hanggang sa makarating kayo sa live chat. Kasi yun yung importante para sila talaga yung totoong tao yung makausap mo, hindi yung chatbot na si Eva. Kasi si Eva, kahit na gaano kahaba yung hinatype mo dyan, hindi niya yan maintindihan kasi chatbot lang siya. Nagpa-function lang siya sa pamamagitan ng mga keywords na nababasa niya, and meron na din automated na response dun sa keyword na tinype mo or yung pinili mo. So that's all for this video. Kung may questions ka, comment down below your questions and rest assured na sasagutin ko yung question mo as long as alam ko yung isasagot. Thank you so much for watching, and also kung pwede kang mag-comment dyan sa baba kung saang bansa ka nanonood ng video na to para malaman ko kung saan yung mga audiences ko nanggaling. Thank you so much for watching. Keep safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have bookings and inquiries, just message me para ma-assist kita. Bye guys!